Hi everyone, today I made a water filter like thing. These are two parts. One is top one is bottom one. First I have cut in the bottle. Then what I did means I kept for the top one. I'll tell first. I kept a cap down. I kept a cloth, two pieces of cloth. I folded it in. I kept another cap. I kept top. And I folded a piece of paper, no sorry, not paper, a cloth, and I kept now the bottom one. This I took 5 layers of cloth. I kept it here front side and I sticked it with hot glue gun. Down I did with one layer of cloth. Inside I pinched with needle for making holes. There are almost 10 holes I made. So now let us filter. See this dirty water. First we'll mix the dirty water. See, these are purely dirty water, very dirty. Now we'll keep this here. We'll catch it up of this glass and we'll it takes a lot of time, so we should wait. I'll show you after filtering one time to this. Still a bit is there. I'll complete this. Down sand is there. I'll show you after completing this also. It is taking a lot of time. Till now it took 1 hour. It has completed. So see the water almost 50% pure. Now I'll do it again in this glass. First I'll clean the glass. So I now clean the glass. Now I'll do it like this. It will take some time. I'll show it sometime. I'll pause it. After completing again I'll show, because it will take a lot of time. Your time will be wasting. So now the water came down the second time. Okay, see the water 25% pure, but another time I'll do. But I'll tell something. In this the bacteria will not be going. Only the dirt particles will be going. So we should not drink this water. I'll do it another time. See. Okay, after doing I'll come again. Now I did another 2 times after pausing it. So I think the water is 10% not pure. A little light yellowish color it is there. But we should not drink this because there can be bacteria in this. Please subscribe this channel if you want more videos like this. If you like this video, please like and share this video. Thank you.